One more free tip of the day, guys. Also, a lot of questions I get, and it's also on my website at wecandsavourfloors.com. A lot of questions I get from a lot of clients is, do I need a full sand or can I get a dustless screen and recoat? The difference is, if you guys need to change the color, number one, if you have deep gouges or scratches, number two, if you have sun fading from windows, like you see like it bleached it or had a sunburn, number three, or you ripped your carpet up, it's a lot of wear and tear and it's missing a lot of protection, then you need a full sand, guys. There's no way around it. The dustless process does not replace sanding. Sanding, again, smooths everything out, gets rid of all the imperfections, smooths it out like a brand new floor. Sand and recoat is like getting a new floor. It's an exact same thing. The difference is you don't have to install it, it's already there, right? So I always advise, if you have 3/4 thick wood, you can tell by registers, get it fully sanded. It's like getting brand new floors, guys. And a lot of times you can sand it up to 5 times. This floor will last 100+ years. It's better than getting, the LVT or other floating floors, because that stuff, once you scratch it, it's done. You can't sand it off, right? Same with engineering. So in this case, even if it's 3/8 thick, you can still get by with one sanding. But in this case, this floor lasts forever, okay? So that's a little tip of the day, guys. When we say dustless, yeah, it's dustless because we're not taking off any wood. We're just abrading the top coat and giving you a refresher. And we're putting new polyurethane down. So you're a candidate for a screen recoat if your floors look dull, dingy, there's a lot of residue, there's a lot of soil, or it's losing its luster. Then we can revive it and just do a screen and recoat. That's a maintenance service, guys. That's all that is. And again, we get just done the same day because we use water base, and you can walk on it 3 hours after we're done. It's a great alternative. Even if you just want to spruce it up, it's a great maintenance service, okay? That's what we are. We're a maintenance company. We're a maintenance flooring company, okay, and duct cleaning. But if your floors have any of the following I just mentioned, you need a full sanding. And of course, my team does that too. But we prefer to do the dustless because it's just, a maintenance service. But our job is to give you the options and to educate you from there. As well as we also do clean and buffs, where your floor looks good, you just want to pop the sheen a little better. That's clean and buff. That's a maintenance service. Or we can remove old wax buildup from over-the-counter products like Quick Shine, Juvenate, Mop and Glow, all those kind of garbage things. We can get all that stuff off because it doesn't bond, because it's soft, okay? Another free tip, if your floors have protection, it's sealed or has poly or has aluminum oxide, you don't need anything on it except NutriCleaner. Don't use anything on it, but no soap, no wax, nothing. All that stuff is garbage, okay? Free tip of the day. Reach out if you have any questions. Ryan here at Leo Cleaning. You guys have yourself a great day. Thanks for watching.